Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Using your nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips. Now, prep for your press-on nails with nail tips. Magnetic nail holder and reusable adhesive putty.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. What numbers do I still have?
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Green, must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chucks a look around. Find one to sink my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. Jury in a safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night. No waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light. No, I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be.
Now, shape and buff the fake nails while removing the shine.
Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories.
Now grab an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up and I take you down. Got someone tonight. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up and I take. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Who would have thought I'd get you?
This is going to be the gel polish that we're going to be using today. Apply a thin layer of gel polish. Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp. Apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp. The natural prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. Bet you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel.